Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing my Nintendo Switch. This is the Animal Crossing edition. Here you're going to see me struggle with these really crappy scissors. They are not sharp at all, but they got the jump done somehow. Right here I'm just taking out the little airbags that come with it to protect it. And here you guys have it, my Switch, and then these are all the accessories that I bought with it, including some games. This is the crystal protector case. I bought it on special for Black Friday. It was only $9 on Amazon. This is Luigi's Mansion 3, which, by the way, I'm so addicted to now. I love this game. It's an awesome game, you guys. I highly recommend it. And this is the other game that I bought. I really haven't played this game at all, just because I actually bought it for my husband, so that way he can play as well, but I haven't tried it, so I'm actually going to try it, only because I've been so addicted to Luigi's Mansion 3. And here you have my Switch. Well, the box. I'm just trying to inspect it here to make sure everything came in peace. And here's where I find out you're supposed to open it sideways. And look at that, you guys. So awesome. Look at these colors. These are actually my favorite colors. You got the pastel green, the pastel blue with the cream accent in the back. I just thought these were so cute. Gotta try the buttons. And here I'm taking out the other one just to inspect it as well. Alright, let's take out the screen. And look at that, guys. You can clearly see the little characters on the back. I was trying to be very careful. To my surprise, it was actually heavier than what I thought it would be, holding it in my hand. So I was trying very hard to like not drop it while I'm like showing it to you guys. Alright, and here I thought there was like something extra under this secret compartment, but there was actually nothing. Here we have the instruction manual. This is the HDMI cable. I just think it's pretty neat that you can connect it to your TV and play like, you know, a regular console. This is the charger. I actually like this charger. To my surprise, it's actually really fast. I tried to charge the switch with other chargers like my phone charger, but it was not as fast as this one. So I recommend just using this charger that comes with it. I don't remember the name of those little things that come for the Joy-Cons, but I thought it was pretty neat that they had the little strap the same color as the Joy-Con that they belong to. And for the life of me, I don't know what the heck the name of this is. It's to obviously strap the Joy-Cons on there and then play as a controller. It's a bigger one. And here we have the dock. I just thought this was so adorable. Like the colors, everything. It's pretty unique. And the cream and the little characters. I just thought it was too cute. And this is the back. That's the center where you charge the switch, or where you put the screen in there. But look at this, you guys. Awesome, right? And here we have a setup. Just wanted to show you guys everything that I got. And I wanted to take these out and put them on the Joy-Cons. As I've seen this a million times on YouTube, yet here I was still struggling. I thought it was pretty neat. I'm gonna go ahead and now put the case on. So I'm just taking it out. Here I'm just peeling off the film that comes with it. The super satisfying part. I'm now going to attempt to put this in there. So what you guys won't see, because I had to edit that out because it was really long, you guys will not see me struggle as much as I actually did. And here obviously I have problems trying to find out what the heck this shape is. And somehow I managed to get it on. Same thing here. I don't know why I had trouble putting these on. I thought it was funny. Shapes, girl, shapes. It's pretty neat now that it's on and looks pretty cool. Now I'm gonna try to get the protector on this screen. What you guys won't see here, because I clearly edited out, is that I actually almost dropped the screen because of my clumsy ass, but I caught it midair. So that's like something I wish I would have left on for bloopers, but it's not satisfying, so I edited it out. It's a lot harder to install things, you guys, when you're trying to record them. But here you guys have it. And it came together pretty nice. And now I'm going to open these games up. Honestly, you guys, I don't even know what I expected to find in there. It's been so long since I've actually played any games. I mean, back in the day when they used to be pretty huge, and now look at that. They're just little tiny chips. This game, by the way, like I said, very addicting. It's my favorite game. And here we have the chip, the cape chip. And I thought it was pretty neat how you can see the little characters. I love that little dog. It's so cute. The little ghost dog. And I also bought this case. I was so excited. And to my surprise, it's not the actual like Nintendo brand. It's just this like cheap one that I bought from Amazon for like 12 bucks. Honestly, you guys, it's literally the same thing. I love that it has a little strap too, so you can carry it kind of like a clutch or like a purse. The brand looks like it says Glamgen. But I thought it was pretty nice, you know, for the price. You don't have to spend a lot of money on this, and it still looks pretty cute. Has this extra compartment right there. And I also bought the little, I don't know what you call these. It'll come to me. Thumb grips. Sorry, guys. The little cute thumb grips. These were like $5 on Amazon, by the way, for like 4 of them. And they were with the theme as well. So I thought it was pretty awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to install these now in the video. So what I did was I actually flipped them inside out, and just place them on there. That actually worked. So I actually got the suggestion from watching Dreamy Craft Shop, and I just love all their videos because they're like the themes are just so awesome and adorable. I love like the pink and the blue, like the pastel colors that they show in their videos. So I've been watching them for a while, and that's how I learned to put the thumb grips on. And these are like the little compartments for the games. So I'm just putting my games in there. And now I'm putting the Switch in there just to see how it would fit. And it actually fit nicely. So I'm very happy with this purchase. I still have this bag. To be honest, it's not the most durable bag. Obviously, I purchased it cheap off of Amazon, so I did kind of see that the zipper was kind of falling apart. I'm not sure what happened, but it has two zippers on it, like two little zippers on the sides, and it was not really good quality. So I mean, it gets the job done, but I wouldn't say it's like the most protective case. So just a heads up. Here I'm just setting up my Switch, trying to figure out how to work it. Like I said, this is my first anything to do with video game kind of console. My first anything. I'm not a hardcore gamer. I am not familiar with the terms. I am just somebody that thought playing video games would be pretty good to, do during this pandemic, because there's literally nothing to do because everything is closed, and that sucks. Gotta keep busy somehow. So here you have it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. I'll see you guys next time.